Well, hello you guys. I'm Corey and you're watching Cowser Girl Adventures, and we are doing a Halloween video this time. It is a hashtag video. It's called hashtag Pumpkin Decoration Collaboration Challenge. It is from a YouTube friend of mine, Nothing Edited. I will put all the information in the description, and the hashtag will be like up where the title is also. So anyway, we're gonna decorate this beautiful, huge pumpkin, and I'm not telling you what I'm gonna make out of it. You're gonna have to just kind of follow along and watch and see the end results, because that's just what I do. So anyway, we're gonna put my costume on, my minion costume. Oh, okay, you guys ready? We're gonna magically jump into my minion costume. Ready? Go. Alright you guys, let's get painting this pumpkin. I gotta move it over a little bit. Alright, my supplies are over there. I gotta go get them. Be right back. I can't wait. All talented. Let's see. Can you guess what I'm gonna paint? Yellow, blues. Okay, well anyway, we're just gonna put those right over here. We're gonna get some of this and we're gonna get going for you guys. Let's do this. Let's see some magic, huh? You want to see some good painting magic, I bet. No, not really good, but anyway. I know, that's a lot, but I need yellow. Probably gonna need a couple coats, I bet. Come on, let's put in the comments. Yell through the screen. Talk through the camera. What am I gonna paint? What am I painting? Come on, I know you guys can guess it. I know you can. You guys are smart. This paint stinks. But that's okay. Did you guess yet? Yellow, blue, black, yellow, yellow, blue. Come on. Did anybody guess yet? I hope you put it down in the comments. You'll figure it out. You'll know what it is.
Oh my gosh, this paint smells like burnt bacon.
Maybe they like burnt bacon. I don't know. Alright guys, it's yellow. I got the one eye on. Time to get the, I know you guessed it by now, so I'm telling you. The overalls on. Woo! I have the eye on so I can tell where about, hopefully. I don't know if you're going to be able to see me paint it very good, but we're going to give it a try. I'm going to try to get it on there. I'm excited about my little minion. See that yellow? Alright, we're gonna see. I don't know, man. I'm gonna try to let you guys see a little bit going on. If not, I'm sorry. Maybe you just might have to wait until the end now. Now you kind of see what's going on. I gotta bring it a little closer. Oh, moving the table. Woo, moving the tablecloth. Okay. I'm gonna turn it just a smidgen more. Alright, let's see. Maybe about right there. I don't know, maybe I should just wait and figure this out. Well, we'll get started a little bit. It's gonna be a thin line. We'll go right there. I don't know if you can see anything. Don't know, because I gotta see what I'm doing. Alright guys, we're getting some little final touches here. So it should be just about ready. Now you really can't see what's going on right now. Yay! Here it is, you guys. I have my pumpkin all painted up, ready to go. It's my minion! Yay! Minion! For the hashtag Pumpkin Decoration Collaboration Challenge. And once again, like I said, earlier. I will put all the information in the description below, and the hashtag will be in the title. And it's through my YouTube friend, Nothing Edited. I will put her link to her channel in the description below also. So anyway, you guys, please do me a favor, vote. It's for fun, but I still would like to get some good votes. Having a good time. We had a blast painting it. So anyway, until next time, you guys, we will see you later. I appreciate everybody and hope you have a great time and enjoy my video, and thank you so much for watching. Woo! Halloween video! Yay!